Hello, citizens. Today I'm going to show you how to add your shop icon and your Etsy banner to your Etsy shop. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm on my laptop. Now to add an Etsy banner and a shop photo, the easiest way I know how to do it is to go to your own profile, create profile, click on your shop. Okay, and then we're going to click on edit shop here. Okay, how did I do that? Okay, so now we're going to click add a banner, right? So there's different options. There's a big banner, fills up the whole top, and it also shows you basically how it would show up on a computer or mobile. Mini banner is really, really small. It's a lot thinner. And then none. I suggest you put an Etsy banner because it gives your shop its own feel. So it's not just an Etsy, it's your shop. Okay. So I'm going to click banner. It's done. Add image. Okay. Click on that. Let's see. Do I have one already done? Just so I can show you. Okay. Well, I have blank banners. So there's nothing on it. It's just blank. So that's done. Click save. Okay. While you're here, you might as well add a little shop description, your title, location. You can add a location. Okay, after you add your banner, you click the little photo over here on the right. That's where you're going to add your shop photo. I believe they call it, a shop icon now. So usually it's best to put a logo. So again, you're going to click choose file. And let's just add this cute little doodle of me. Make sure you do the file size, okay? And then make sure you click save when that uploads. All right. Okay, citizens, before I go, don't forget to sign up in the link below in my description for my email list. That way I can send you some awesome freebies, other videos that might be helpful to you. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. If you don't quit, you won't fail. And it's never too late to follow your dreams. Bye-bye, everyone.